I have here in front of me a really interesting pair of light bulbs. These are LED light bulbs that are rechargeable, and they're from Brightown, and Brightown just makes so many innovative products. Right now you can see here I'm charging. This is a Type-C port, and that's what charges the bulb. Now if you look here, you can see these E26, these are like these, regular sockets that bulbs have on them. Now what's crazy is these are not, all these are is just for you if you wanted to screw these into a fixture, because they don't do anything. They're just the ability to allow you to put the bulb. But look at this. It's magnetic. The top just comes off. So if you don't want to screw them into your light, because they're going to run off the battery regardless. This does nothing except allow you to screw it into a socket. Check it out. So here we've got a hook, so we can hang it like so. Put that back down. We can just set it like so. Looks like a little mini siren light. You get a carrying strap if you want it. These here are plates you peel off the back, and if you want to stick this somewhere, then what's going to happen is it's going to magnetize itself to that. So you get two of those. That way you can take the light off and just have this metal holder attached to a ceiling or a wall or whatever. And then of course, they always do this. It comes with a remote. And you get your 6,000K, 4,000K, 3,000K. You get timers. So if you're like camping or something, or just need it for a dark area just for a little bit, 30, 120. You can make it flash. And then, they are RGB, meaning they're red, green, and blue, which means they make multiple colors. And it's really simple. So let's just peel that off. We just turn it on. And right there you can see that is probably, let's see, maybe 3,000. Now there's 4,000. There's 6,000 Kelvin. And then we can go right into our red, green, blue. Now if we want to get a little more creative, then we would go to the remote. And oops, look at that. I just turn it on. Let's turn that up. Now, if we want to go to orange, blue, purple, violet, and then if we want to just make it flash, we can go there. It'll rotate through the colors. And then our brightness, we can dim. So, and then we can go up in brightness. And then again, the timer. Full charge, it uses a red light to green. So when it's fully charged, this will be green. Depending on your charger, it could take 4 to 6 hours to get a fully charged. But the continuous lighting, this is what's really fantastic. The continuous lighting, you're going to get 30 to 60 hours on one charge. Yes, 30 to 60 hours on one charge. So think of all the benefits having something this small, like look, fits in the size of my hand, and to be able to use it for a couple days, or if you're only going to use it maybe an hour or two a night, I mean, you're going to go weeks before you need to charge it again. Don't forget about these handy little innovative E26 sockets. Comes with the charging cable, and have fun.